Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Disney Plus application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Disney Plus application on your Android device, first make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. Once you are, tap Open Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Disney Plus and perform your search. Once you find the application in the search result, tap on the install button in order to download the application on your Android device. Once the application is downloaded, tap on Open, and that is how you can easily download Disney Plus application on your Android. Disney Plus is a streaming home of your favorite stories with unlimited entertainment from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic, and so much more. That was how you can easily download Disney Plus application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.